yes, and pack your stuff. We're going Toria night with our family.
Peppa Pig and I have funny.
The first time the two into space.
I agree, you kuromame.
Peppa, hurry the fuck up.
The most recent example was in February car theft and theft road Peppa Pig.
Okay, do any one of you fuckers need to use the restroom before we go on the airplane?
I don't need to.
Okay, let's go then.
I'm just going through my airplane mode now.
The first thing I thought when you said is iPad.
Your iPad is inside your backpack. Get it yourself.
Mr. Fun Computer said that the first thing I would need.
Where the fuck is this iPad then?
Hey, don't hit the kid.
No, don't even. My fault.
With the same thing.
Attitude.
Next time, don't hit your baby.